Hello and welcome back to the channel. Forgive my messy desk. Forgive my voice. I really don't know what happened. I was feeling okay. Thought I was getting over that respiratory thing. But of course I got it back. So I'm a little late getting started today. This is Art Journal Tuesday. A little late. But I'm getting it done. I have to lay down, take my little nap, get up, but I wanted to make sure I get my art journal up because I so like doing it. And when I don't feel good and I got a little bit of energy, I can kind of keep it going. So this is Art Journal Tuesday. And what's happening to me is the month of December is just slipping away from me, just slipping away. I don't know where it's going. I just don't have time. I woke up and it seems like I woke up and it's December. I got to get the lights out. I got to put the tree up. I got to do all those things we all do to get ourselves ready for December. Got to figure out the meal and everything. And it's just going so fast. So fast. And this spread is about everything going so fast. Trying to get everything done. Trying to make sure you get your colors matched and everything. If you're going to change something up, you got to change it up. Went outside, looked out there a few seconds. All my neighbors had their lights out. Everybody's lights were out twinkling and looking good and everything. And I'm like, where your lights at? Bear J, get your lights out, girl. So I was like, I gotta get that done. So this is all about me trying to remember what I gotta do, trying to get things done and make it all beautiful at the same time. But I'm not gonna rush myself. I'm gonna take my time, try to get it done, try to make sure that the things that are important to me, that are important to what I want to do for myself this Christmas season, just get it done, to get done, is to get things done the way I want to get them done this Christmas season. And I'm so looking forward to this Christmas season because it's going to be a good one for me. I'm just so glad that I'm here for the season. Adding a little doily here. I took it and kind of grunged it up a little bit. Just to give me a little bit of grunge on here. Not so I don't have everything so bright and pink. One of these days, well, I keep saying, that's what I keep saying to myself. I want to change my Christmas tree and everything on it for Black Christmas. I want a black and white Christmas. But every time I think of doing it and getting the Black Christmas going, something just goes, Jay, that's not going to be right. That's not going to be right. Have you ever thought about that, wanting to change up your Christmas? I'm mostly a traditional Christmas color person. I love the reds and the golds and that kind of twinkling thing. I love that. I love that look. And I wanted to kind of change it up a little bit. And I thought maybe this year would have been the year I went with the black and the gold, with the black and the gold and the white. But once again, as you can see, I'm behind. It's already the 6th of December, and I haven't gotten any of my stuff done. So that means this weekend I'm going to have to be working my butt off to get things done and to get it the way I like it and everything like that. How are you doing? How's everybody else doing with getting their Christmas things going and preparing themselves for what they need to do? Where do I want this? I don't want to cover that up, and I don't want to cover that up because that's my idea of time being wasted. Candles burning at one end, but sooner or later it's going to be burning at the second, two ends. That's what that symbolizes for me. This is like I got to go out and get some presents, and don't forget to get something for me. And this means I got to make sure I get to the post office on time. I made Christmas cards. So I got to make sure I get to the post office on time and mail those things. I don't know about that right there. I have to think about that one. So that's just me rushing off to try to get everything that I got to get done for my the holiday. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think we'll do like we did last year. We had such a good time last year. We decided not to cook at all. We had we cooked some little stuff, so the next day we'll have anything. But we didn't cook that big traditional meal that we usually have. We went out to eat for Christmas, and I don't know if I want to do it again. It all depends on how I'm feeling and how this little thing that's got me holding on me, how this goes for me. So it all depends on how this is going for me. And this reminds me of going shopping and getting baked goods. My mom used to, she used to bake sometime, but there was a little shop that she used to stop in, and we used to get these. They were scone-like things, but I don't think they were scones. They were scone-like. Now this week, I'm not leaving a spot to write. I always leave a spot so that I can write down something. This week, I won't actually have the time to actually journal. And if I do, I can always paste a little something on there to get some journaling done. But I won't be able to do it this week. I don't think my health and my feeling and everything, how I'm feeling is going to let me do that this week. So I'm not going to even worry about it. I'm going to have a nice page here that'll remind me of all the things I got to get done. And that's what I'll have. So if you got your stuff out today to Art Journal with me, please forgive me that I didn't get my stuff out on time. And I'm just going to need you to have an Art Journal Wednesday to sit down and just take your time and get your stuff and get your page in. And forgive me for this week. And if I catch up and feel better, I'll get it done. And I think I kind of went a little fast with this one because my voice, I get the feeling I'm not going to have it very long. So this is my spread for the week. And this is all about falling behind and not getting my Christmas stuff going. This is a Tim Holtz die. Excuse me. This is one of those Tim Holtz die. I like a good candle. And I like lighting them in the house, but I don't light them a lot because I have dogs. So thank you for joining me today. I hope that you are farther along with getting your Christmas stuff done than I am, because I am very slow right now. But I will get it done. Need to go off and get one of my inhalers going. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Also forgive me for being late with my art journal page on Tuesday. It's kind of like early Wednesday morning, but not that far from Tuesday. So thank you for joining me. To all my subscribers, thank you for following me and being with me this year. To all of my new people who are dropping in and also catching me on Art Journal Tuesday, thank you for doing that. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll be glad to have you as a part of my crafty family. Please remember to take care of yourself during this season because there's a lot of, my doctor said, a lot of respiratory stuff going around. So please take care of yourself and your family. Also, be the reason somebody smiles and also do things that make you smile. And I'll see you all on my next video. Bye now.